Why did the machine learning model break up with its dataset? A. It found a better validation set. B. It realized the data was too noisy. C. Because it couldn't handle the overfitting and the constant nagging about regularization. What's an AI's favorite type of coffee? A. Espresso. B. Latte. C. Deep brew, because it's all about those hidden layers of flavor. How do you comfort a sad chatbot? A. Offer it a virtual hug. B. Tell it a joke. C. Reboot its emotional kernel and remind it that even zeros and ones have feelings. Why did the AI attend therapy sessions? A. To optimize its mental health. B. To learn better coping mechanisms. C. Because it had too many unresolved issues in its loss function, and it needed gradient descent for its emotional roller coaster. What's an AI's favorite dance move? A. The robot. B. The moonwalk. C. The back propagation shuffle, because it's all about those weight updates. What's an AI's favorite bedtime story? The little engine that could back propagate. B. Goldilocks and the three hyperparameters. C. The gradient descent of sleep, because it's all about finding the global minimum of restfulness. Why did the chatbot get kicked out of the support group? It kept repeating the same advice. B. It couldn't handle its own emotional loops. C. Because it was caught gossiping about the other bot's training data, and it needed a regularization term for its social skills. What's an AI's favorite pickup line? A. Are you a deep learning model? Because you've got some serious layers. B. Are you a recurrent neural network? Because I can't forget about you. C. Are you a generative adversarial network? Because you complete me, and it knows how to generate a good connection. Thank you for playing the Artificial Intelligence quiz. Remember, whether you're a human or an algorithm, laughter is the best regularization technique. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe, and let us know what AI subjects would you like us to make videos about.